Is there an actual meaning to life? A perceptible purpose to existence? If so, what is it? How is it concealed from us? How do we uncover it? How do we live once we've revealed it? Our sense of the big picture has been shattered into a million tweets. We barely get the chance to breathe before the next hard change hits the world. If ever there was a time that we needed to know what this human experience is for, it's now. But how can we ever get in touch with life's meaning if life never gives us the space to think and feel our way down to the core questions of our heart? The Meaning of Life Contemplation Kit is a reality-altering 4-part inner journey that lets you slow down and thoughtfully flow through video, surprising concepts, and enlightening questions. It's a place where you can reflect and penetrate beyond the assumptions that keep you in the dark. Life is cutting you a break, so take the chance. There's something beautiful at the bottom of the rabbit hole.